Hello and welcome back to LendAPI Academy. My name is Kay, and in this episode we are going to be showcasing our tenant feature within the LendAPI interface. So for most of you that have used our LendAPI platform, we have a tenant feature here that is leveraged specifically to help onboard different networks, affiliates, and lead generation systems. We utilize our tenant feature specifically for our top of the funnel filtering. The most common use case leveraged here in the tenant space is to help lenders specifically partner with market or affiliate partners to generate leads and making sure that we understand where each of the leads are coming from. If you are someone who is looking to leverage a tenant feature or specifically a tenant system into your lending or financial services product, this video will show you exactly how to add a tenant into your system. So the first thing to do is we need to actually create a tenant onboarding product within our product studio. Because tenant, like everything else, requires an onboarding system associated with it, especially for companies that have more than one or sometimes upwards of 10 to 20 different tenants or affiliates, it's good to have an onboarding flow. So to start and create an tenant onboarding flow, all you have to do is navigate over to our product studio and click New Product and click the tenant onboarding feature here. You can create a tenant for specifically for brokers if you are onboarding different brokers into, for example, your mortgage lending product or a marketing product. But for this, we're going to create marketing as our tenant name. So once I have a tenant onboarding added, I'm going to click Add Tenant Onboarding, and this will pop up a new product in my product studio. And the first thing you'll see is that the template that's associated with this product is called Tenant, and the reason for that is it's different than our normal product studio. There are limitations to what you can leverage for a tenant product versus a standard product. And that's where the templatization comes in. So once I click into my tenant product, you'll see that we are leveraging our out-of-the-box tenant onboarding system, where we ask for provider name, partner, city, address, state, and zip code. This is the general onboarding flow for a standard market or affiliate marketing company or lead gen system. If you are looking to do anything specific outside of this, like for example, onboarding a broker or onboarding a specific processor or even a group of different marketing and affiliate companies, you have the capability here to mock up and create anything here that you need. So for example, for this instance, if I wanted to onboard a provider here that has an EIN associated with it, I can drag that variable in here. Now, of course, to create a tenant variable, all you have to do is go over to our model studios and click on Add New, and we have tenant variables associated here. So for me, I'm going to create an EIN variable specifically for tenant and add this into my tenant onboarding flow. So with that, I have my new tenant variable as a source, and I can navigate back into my product and create the EIN and add it into my system here. And you'll see it's exactly the same as mocking up and creating new products into our product studio. The biggest difference, of course, with any tenant is you cannot run decision trees on our tenant variables currently. So for our onboarding flow, tenants specifically are leveraged for just pure onboarding. And of course, if you are completed with this particular system, as always, click publish and you can publish your tenant. And this will now be ready. Oh, I didn't save. So for my system, I'm going to only have one step for my tenant onboarding. So now I'm going to click publish and create my tenant onboarding flow. And as always, I can test my flow by clicking the Start Application in my system. And you'll see here, this is my tenant onboarding for my company. And from here, you can share this specific onboarding flow out with anyone that you're trying to onboard into your LendAPI platform. And you'll be able to actually generate leads and other affiliate marketing systems through there directly. So come back next time and we will showcase the other features as associated with tenant onboarding and show you how to actually onboard and generate leads directly through your tenant system. As always, thank you, and please subscribe to our channel for more content.